In this lesson, we will examine associated functions in our current struct. As you can see, I defined our struct before the lesson. Let's bind our struct to the variable and print its name. Now we will use the new function instead of the definition we used when creating our struct. The new function will act as a constructor here. One of the points I would like to draw your attention to is that we didn't use any self keywords here. Well, our function doesn't work through the example like the getName function. In fact, it is a static function and doesn't need to be associated with any instance to work. This is exactly what we wanted to create a new vehicle type for us. Now, let's apply the associated function we created to the place where we define the struct. As you can see, we run it the same way. Moreover, once defined, it provides a very good ease of use. As you can see, you can easily create the second struct. In addition, although I do not prefer to use it outside of trait implementations, it is possible to set the return type as self. I would like to point out that it starts with a capital S here. The compiler knows that the implementation is done to the vehicle struct, so you can write self instead of vehicle. As you can see, it continues to work without any problems. Let me remind you again that it is with a capital S. To tell you my personal opinion, I don't generally prefer to use it except for trait and trait implementations, as I think it can cause confusion sometimes.